Hey guys, in this video, I'll tell you about the Coinbase Wallet. Alright, let's begin. First of all, Coinbase Wallet is a self-custody wallet, which means that you have full control over your private keys and digital assets. This gives you a significant advantage if you prioritize security and privacy, because you're not relying on a third-party service to manage your funds. It's a great option for anyone who wants to keep control over their cryptocurrency without trusting an exchange with the keys to their wallet. The Coinbase Wallet supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a variety of ERC20 tokens. This makes it a versatile wallet for users with diverse portfolios. Whether you're into Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other altcoins, you can store them all in one place. One of the standout features of Coinbase Wallet is its integration with decentralized applications or dApps. With just a few taps, you can connect to decentralized finance platforms, decentralized exchanges, and even NFT marketplaces all within the wallet interface. This makes it a fantastic choice for those who are active in the DeFi space or those interested in exploring decentralized finance and digital art through NFTs. For security, Coinbase Wallet offers several features. It includes biometric authentication, a secure enclave for private keys, and even the option to back up your wallet on services like Google Drive or iCloud. This gives you a nice balance between convenience and security, so you can rest assured that your funds and digital assets are safe, while still having the flexibility to back up your information. This wallet is particularly well suited for those who are already in the Coinbase ecosystem. It integrates seamlessly with Coinbase's main exchange app, which makes it easier for users who are familiar with the Coinbase platform to manage their assets. However, it's important to note that Coinbase Wallet is a separate entity from the Coinbase exchange. This means that even if the Coinbase exchange were to experience any issues or downtime, your assets within the Coinbase Wallet would still remain secure and unaffected. While Coinbase Wallet is a powerful tool, it does come with some limitations. The wallet is primarily designed for mobile use, which might be a downside for users who prefer desktop-based wallet solutions. This could be a deal breaker if you want to manage your assets from a computer rather than your phone or tablet. Additionally, while Coinbase Wallet supports a wide range of tokens, it lacks certain features that some advanced users might need. For example, it doesn't have hardware wallet integration, which may be a consideration for those who are looking for the highest level of security for their cryptocurrency holdings. In conclusion, Coinbase Wallet is an excellent choice for crypto users who value security, control, and ease of access to the decentralized ecosystem. For many users, the Coinbase Wallet provides everything they need for day-to-day management of digital assets. But for those with more complex needs, there are alternatives to consider. So that's basically all about the Coinbase Wallet. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.